subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Out here, my friends, on TV, Perpetual Premiership, Orlando Pirates 3, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Yawintu Lazi guy 1.
Danke, Sib.
Sengithi Lazi guy 1. Sengithi hayi Lazi guy 1 guy 2 zomthola esithombeni.
Danke, Sib. Angiqale la.
Yeah.
Football is a game of persons. Danke to shout out to Minerva Diski. Hlezi ngimbuka njalo. So namhlanje mokhumbula igame ya Wednesday dlala namaZulu.
Sure.
uMaswanganye uyavela zone 3 or zone 5.
Sure.
Ophahlaza iwindi uphasela uLungu.
Sure.
uLungu Mrs. Namhlanje zone 3 or zone 5 uMaswanganye wenze njani? Ushaya iwindi. Uphasela uLungu
Bulalinet
scores.
Bulalinet.
So football is a game of patterns.
Yayiphinda le.
Yes. So Mapani ngakhathazela. Last season we lost 2 opening games. This season we have 4 points from 2 opening games. So something esho ukuthi siyakhula.
Ngiyakuthola nje yami.
So engithanda ukusho ukuthi amabhani akhathazela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yes. Abadlali basilimazela.
Sure nje.
But sengabadlali abaningi ngoba siyazi ukuthi playing CAF and many competitions. So speed recover to Sihlenduli. Siyazi ukuthi uphuma from long term injury. Umbatha. Yes. But mina angithanda ukuthi whenever player lithize lilimele kube ngathi awafika ama results ngenxa ukuthi lilimele manje. Sinabadlali abaningi angithi. So abadlali abaningi. So and I'm very happy ukuthi inja yami KB Kabelo Dlamini ubuyile.
Shenko's back.
Shenko is back to the field of play.
Shenko. Ayofa abantu ke.
Inkinga iqale kakhulu. And ngimhlonipha kakhulu Tito Maswanganye. Many can criticize him but in my opinion there's no player in the entire PSL who do very good runs off the ball than Tito Maswanganye. Tito Maswanganye is the best number 10 in the PSL. I don't care who said what. But Tito Maswanganye is the best number 10. No matter having a bad game or good game. But shout out to Tito and the whole entire Orlando Pirates. So the season, it's our season. We won a double treble 2011, 2012. And we repeat it again 2026 and 2027. Treble champions Orlando Pirates. Thank you.
Asibongela Zimbabwe. Izinja madoda.